Hey, it's Mrs. G, and today we'll be examining some onion cells under a microscope to observe their structures. Let's do it. To complete this lab at home, you will need a microscope, microscope slides and cover slips, droppers, an onion, iodine, and a knife. Okay, let's prepare the onion first. To prepare our slide, we first peel off the outside layer of the onion. Then we use a knife to skim off a sample from the underside of that layer. You're going to want to be a lot safer with your knife than I'm being here. My knife was really dull. Once you have your sample, be sure that it's thin enough that light can pass through it. Also, iodine stains, so maybe don't leave the bottle open like I did here. At the end of the video, I will show you what happens if you do that. I may or may not have knocked the entire thing over. Whoops. Alrighty, next place the sample on a clean microscope slide. Then use your dropper to put 1 drop of iodine on top of it. This is just going to help to make the cell parts a little bit easier to see in the microscope. Now we want to observe the sample on all magnifications, beginning with the lowest one. Here's what I saw. Notice how the cells are arranged in a really organized way, kind of like bricks. And if you look really closely, you can see the cytoplasm that fills up the cells, as well as a little dark spot in each cell, which is the nucleus. Okay, here are those same cells on medium power. It's a little bit darker, but you can see that rectangular structure up close really well here, as well as all the little nuclei inside the cells. Those are those kind of dark spots I'm pointing at. Now finally, here are some of those cells on high power. Now one whole cell doesn't even fit in the frame, but you get a great close-up view of those really strong cell walls. If we were to observe an animal cell by contrast, we would notice that the cells would be more irregularly shaped, usually like an oval, with only a cell membrane and no cell wall. Thank you so much for watching. If you have questions about this video, or if you're interested in private tutoring in math or science over video or in person in the Kansas City area, please reach out to me via the email on the screen. If the video was helpful, I would really appreciate you subscribing to my channel. Have a great day.